If you're considering a major addition or renovation of your home, be sure to notify your home insurance company of the planned changes. If you are considering a major addition or renovation of your home, be sure to notify your home insurance company of the planned changes. While home improvements may or may not increase the cost of your homeowner's insurance, it is always in your best interest to be upfront with your insurance company. For example, if you were to add a deck and fail to notify your insurance company, the insurance company could deny a claim if someone were ever injured on the deck. Also, many insurance companies will only provide coverage for work done by licensed professionals, so unless you are a licensed contractor, don't perform the work yourself. Also, before starting a project, check with your insurance company to make sure your liability insurance will cover the renovation. It's a good idea to review your homeowner's insurance annually to ensure you have proper coverage.